First, wash your hands. Hi guys, today we're gonna make oatmeal. You're gonna need an oatmeal packet, a bowl, and a spoon. Okay, the next thing that you need to do is open your oatmeal packet on this dotted line. You might need scissors or you can tear it.
I can
Okay, and then you can dump it into your bowl. Good job, okay.
No. And then it looks like that.
Okay, next you're gonna need to fill your packet with water or milk to this line right here, okay? Okay, so it's filled to this line. You can see it on the inside.
Now you dump the water in here.
Okay, so you have your water mixed with your oatmeal. Ah, don't spill it.
It looks like now you open up the microwave, you put it in, and then you put it to 1 for it to bake. Now that it's done, you open it. Grab both sides. It could be a little hot. Now you set it down. Close the microwave.
Stir the oatmeal, and then you can eat. Throw away your oatmeal packet and wash your bowl and spoon.